Good morning, love. You're looking really strong and handsome. I know you're going to have a wonderful and successful day.
Good morning, baby. You look really gorgeous. I love when you style your hair like this. Man, I wish I can be there with you at the gallery. I've been so busy.
I know you're busy with meetings, and I'm so proud of you, Jason. These past few months, you have done wonders with your new business. I'm so very proud of you.
Thank you so much, Chloe, for your support and love.
I'll do anything for you, love. I love you, Jay.
I love you too, Chloe.
I have a surprise for you when you come home later.
I can't wait, baby. You're so lucky I have to work.
Ooh, I can't wait.
Oh baby, I really have to go. Breakfast was amazing. See you later, love.
See you soon, love. Oh, I might pass by later.
I hope so. I miss you already. I love when you come at the office. All those workers get all Google eyes, but you know what?
What, babe?
They can look, but they can't touch. You're all mine and mine alone.
Oh, possessive are we?
Whatever.
Ha 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 ha, you're so funny, Jay. You need to go, love. You'll be late.
You're right. Love you later, babe.
Hi, I'm just closing, but you can come back tomorrow at 6.
I'm not here to see your rubbish you call art. I'm here to warn you.
Wow, warn me about what? Lady, I don't even know you.
Ooh, sorry. My name is Vanessa. Jason is not for you. He's mine. He doesn't need your kind. Stay away from him. Chlorine.
It's Chloe. Oh, you're the cheating ex-girlfriend. Some nerve. Jason has nothing to do with you anymore. Please don't ever come back here at my gallery again, or I'll have you removed.
Look here, Chloe. Clorox or chlorine, I don't care. All you white girls, just taking all our black men. But Jason would always come back to me. He's a real black man. He doesn't need your kryptonite.
Excuse me, Missy, but I wasn't there when you and Jason was together. Past tense, I wasn't there when you cheated on him with 4 other men.
You think you're so smart. It's 3 men, not 4.
Ha ha, oh my bad. Well, I stand corrected. You're a cheater. Jason doesn't care about race or skin color. He just wants a woman who truly loves him and won't cheat on him every time he turns his back.
Just stay out of my way. I'm going to get my Jason back and away from your poison.
Don't ever touch me again. I have to go. Hope I never see you again.
What you're going to do about it?
Don't push your luck, Missy. Don't ever underestimate me. Now get the hell out of my way.
Okay. I'm not giving up on Jason. You may have won the fight, but I'm going to win the battle. Ha ha.
There's my sweet angel. I hope I didn't have you waiting long, love.
You're worth the wait, hun. Are you ready to go?
Chloe, is everything okay?
I'm fine, Jason. Let's go.
Now I know you're definitely not okay. You said you're fine.
Ha 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 ha. What, that's crazy.
Every man knows, well, most of us knows, when a woman said she's fine, she ain't. Now Chloe, what's wrong?
Jason, I really don't want to talk about it, especially in your office.
Okay, understood, but we will definitely talk about it when we reach home.
Fine, let's go, babe.
Okay, Chloe, now spill it.
Okay, fine. Your ex-girlfriend Vanessa gave me a surprise visit at my gallery tonight.
Vanessa, what the hell does she want?
She came to warn me to stay away from you, Jason.
Who the hell does she think she is? She has no right.
She said I should stay away from you, and that you always come back to her, and that I need to stick to my own kind, and I'm poison. I told her, if she was such a good girlfriend, she wouldn't be cheating on you with 4 different men. She said it was 3, ha 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 ha.
Good answer, babe.
Thanks. She then started pushing me. I told her not to touch me again, but no, she wouldn't listen.
What, babe, are you okay?
I can handle myself, Jason. I'm nobody's doormat. She collects a hard slap with a warning. Of course her mouth wasn't wounded. She still swears she's going to get you back.
I would never make back with that cheating wretch. You have nothing to worry about, Chloe. I'm yours forever, love.
Do I look freaking worried to you, Jason?
Chloe, baby, calm down.
Sorry, I'm just pissed off that she came to my place of business. Good thing I was already closing.
I'm so sorry baby, maybe I should speak with her and warn her.
Hell no Jason, that's just going to make it worse. Don't worry, I can take care of myself.
Love, I didn't mean anything bad, I know you can take care of yourself, look, can we forget about this incident?
That's the best thing you said all night.
Well, glad you approve, my queen.
I'm going to take a long steamy hot bath, want to join me?
I thought you would never ask, lead the way love.
Come here, and kiss me you naughty boy.
Ha 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 ha. OMG. Stop it Tanya. Stop making fun of me. Why shouldn't I laugh? You got your ass beaten by a white chick. That's pathetic. Well, I don't blame you. After all, you just sit all day in your little office. You knows nothing about self-defense. At least I work. All you do is live off of men. Tanya, how dare you? Vanessa, you know what, to hell with you. At least someone wants me. Nobody wants your skunk ass, Vanessa. I'm out of here. Don't even think about calling me Tanya. I'm sorry. Wait. Vanessa, I'm done with you for good. You know what, I hope Jason never give you a chance. Good riddance to you. I now see why he couldn't be around you. My advice, leave Jason alone. Tanya. Bye Vanessa. And for God's sake get a mint. Buy the whole freaking factory. Whatever. Bye Tanya. I don't need Tanya. I'm going to get Jason, matter what it takes.